Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the day 2 of the Advent of Cyber 2022. It's around, the topic is about log analysis. So after finishing this challenge, you will learn about log files, what log files are and why they are useful. You will understand what valuable information log files can contain. You will also understand some common locations these log files can be found either in Windows operating systems or Linux-based operating systems. You will be able to use some basic Linux commands to start analyzing log files for valuable information. And also for the fun part, you will help the elf MacBlue to track down the Bandit Yeti app. So I'm not gonna read all this information here. It's your task. You have to read it carefully and understand what it is all about. It's very useful information if you want to know about know more about the log files, where they're stored, and how to analyze it. And there are a bunch of very useful information there. So I'm gonna straight jump to the fun part, which is the practical part. So let's read this. For today's task, you will need to deploy the machine attached to this task by pressing the green start machine, and we have to start the machine and just answer the question. So it should be here. Let me just start the machine. Okay, we should wait a little bit. Good. So while the machine boots, I really appreciate your help, your support. So if you like this kind of videos or you enjoy, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And thanks for the support. So now the machine is completely booted, and now we have to start the doing the fun part. So the questions: ensure you're connected to the deployed machine in the task. Of course I am here. So use ls command to list all the files representing the current directory. So let's just type the ls command. The question is, how many log files are present? As we can see, there are just 2 log files present here, sshd log and web server log. So the answer is 2. Submit. Okay. The next question: elf McSkiddy managed to capture the logs generated by the web server. What is the name of this log file? So it's obviously the web server log. Just web server log. So begin investigating the log file from question 3 to answer the following questions. Okay, so now we have to investigate this the web server log in order to answer the rest of the questions. So the next question is, on what day was Santa's naughty and nice list stolen? So now I'm gonna open the web server log with nano text editor, nano web server.log. So all the dates that are represented here is 18th of November 22. So now if you check the calendar, if you check here, 18th of November is Friday. So in Friday, the naughty and nice list of that Santa was stolen. So let's say Friday. Good. What is the IP address of the attacker? So the IP address which attacked is this IP address. So let's 10.10.249.191. Hit enter. Okay. What is the name of the important list that attacker stole from Santa? So now what I do, I will just close this one, clear the screen, ls again to see which files we want to use. So if you read this whole information here, they will teach you about the grep. So read it and try to use it in the tasks. So now what I do is I will just cat the web server.log and pipe it to the grep to give me what I want from all the list, the data that is inside the web server log. I want something, it should be Santa's list because it's Santa list. And if you see here also list Santa's list. So I'm gonna assume that it might be Santa's list, and I don't know the extension, so I will just you want to use this Santa's list, and it will check the whole file and grep with each row or each part that contains this Santa's list. So hit enter, and here we go. It's the Santa's list.txt. Boom, we have just found it. Santa's list.txt. So correct. Look at through the log file for the flag. The format of the flag is thm. So now we have to log files. First of all, we use the same command, but instead of that, this time we will use this one, thm. If we found anything, oh no. So let's check the other file, which is let me delete this one, sshd.log, and grep whatever contains the thm. So nice. Now we have the flag as well, which is Santa's stolen Santa's list. So let me just type it, because I'm not sure whether it will copy or not. Stolen Santa's list. So now we are finished with the questions, and boom, you have solved the challenge. So furthermore, if you are interested in log analysis, they recommend you to check the Windows Event Logs room or endpoint security monitoring module inside the TryHackMe learning path. So for me it's okay, just hit completed, and yes, now we are done with the day 2 of the Advent of Cyber 2022. That's it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you do so, please support me by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. See you in the next video.